Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make these super easy pretzel M&M hugs. Begin by placing as many square pretzels as you want on a baking sheet. When you're finished, unwrap Hershey's Kisses and place them on top of your pretzels. Next, place them into the oven at 200 degrees for 2 minutes. Once the 2 minutes are up, take your treats out of the oven and then begin placing M&Ms on top. Then just leave your treats out to cool. The chocolate should solidify after being out in room temperature for a while. And that's it, you are all finished making your pretzel M&M hugs. These are super easy and quick to make. Oh, and by the way, you don't specifically have to use the square pretzels, you can use the other kind as well. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!